Now, here we have D and S. So D 30 and 36 and S 20 and 70. All right, that's pretty helpful actually, because now we're going to be looking at those. So let's go to the graph here. And when we're looking at this graph, immediately what we want to do is identify our independent variables. So typically the independent variables will be on the x-axis, and I see this letter S in inches. Now there's another independent variable which is on lines, and it's what's different between each lines. And I see D 36, 30, and 24. Now remember, this gave us the numbers for D 30 and 36 and S 20 and 70. So let's go over here. Let's mark. So 30 is this line, 20. So that's one of them here. Then we got 30, 70. So 30, 70 is down here. And we got 36, 20. So 36, 20 is over here. And then we got 36, 70, which is again down here. And what other numbers come up in the science question? Because remember, numbers are your guideposts on the science section. So I saw 61 pounds and I saw 57 pounds. And this is force greater than 57 pounds. Now let me come back to this graph. And I see on the y-axis, which is typically where a dependent variable is. A dependent variable is the variable that we're measuring. I see the force. Now I don't know what n comma AV is, but I see a force and I don't know if I see anything else in this graph off the bat. So my intuition is that number 57 matters. So I go over here, I find 57, which is probably like right there, and I draw a line across. Now what's interesting is the only point that's above the line is this one. The other ones are all below the line. So my guess, my strong conjecture about what the answer is going to be this point right here. The 20 on S and 36 on D, which is C. Now, if I'm on the actual test, depending on how much time I have, I might just leave that and move on. And that is the right answer for this question.